Hello, colleagues. Allow me to present to you my report. We can define photography as a process of imprinting a certain historic moment with an aim to preserve it for many years, and we can update it for the moment of time only if the material carrier is preserved. With time, the materials change in aging, and this process can only be slowed down if certain measures are taken. And in my speech, particular features of the conditions of preservation of photo prints done on paper whose surface is coated with light sensitive solution containing silver and not containing silver, so that is Calotype and Cyanotype, respectively, are considered. The preservation of the document is a comprehensive event that has preventive measures and conservation. Preventive conservation incorporates measures aimed at creating the optimal conditions of storage, and the choice of storage conditions and selection of materials to make means of individual storage depend on the material of carrier and the technology that the image was uh, imprinted with. And in this case, the common is the paper carrier, but the chemical basis of the image is different. It is calotype and salt print using silver salts and cyanotype using iron salts. Photographs and the best temperature and moisture conditions to preserve photographs is constant temperature of air, 60-20 degrees, and relative humidity of 30-45%. These are the conditions that are determined by the nature of material carrier.
So, a regular control and registration of temperature and humidity storage conditions should be controlled at least once per day with the use of thermohygrographs. Also, loggers serve as a helpful tool, especially when artifacts are moved or used on exhibitions. So also, when photographs are moved from one room to the other, it's important to remember about the acclimatization needed. So the long-term storage of such photomaterials is recommended to be organized in complete darkness. So the exposure period should not be long. So during exhibiting of that type of documents, the luminosity should not exceed 50 lux. So cyanotypes which were exposed to light should also have be exposed to air to get a standard print of 8 to 9 centimeters. At least 1 cubic centimeters of air are required. So for color types, strict control is required as they don't have that ability. So the duration of exhibiting for such prints should not exceed 2 months. So the correct storage also implies a specially equipped facility. So in a storage facility, the air should be free from gaseous sulfur compounds. So and the gas composition of the air inside the storage facility should be controlled by a gas analyzer. So cleanliness should be maintained, and also in poor storage conditions, documents could be damaged by microfungi and insects. And random preventive inspection of documents is required twice a year, in spring and in autumn. It has to do with changing moisture conditions in in indoor facilities. And also there is regular inspections required once in 3 years for documents having a special value. Monitoring of microbiological composition of air is required. So if you control the quantitative changes of microorganisms in 1 cubic meter of air, you can ensure biological safety of documents. So all incoming photo documents or photo documents placed in envelopes or boxes are subject to dust removal and also should be cleared from micromycetes and traces of insect vital activities. Also, apart from microclimatic conditions, you should take into account the possible negative impact from contact with other materials. Cyanotypes are very sensitive to alkali. Also, mica-coated paper is preferable as a material which allows the photomaterials to breathe. Calotypes should be stored in no-stick acid-free envelopes. So preventive measures should include strict observations of storage modes and exhibiting conditions. And you need to use specially selected tools like special laboratories, papers, and reversal materials. Thank you so very much.